All right, next up they want you to check the front axle nut torque spec. This motorcycle doesn't have a front nut. It's got the axle's one long piece bolt and the other end threads into the fork slider. So here's what you're going to want to put on your list. A big old 19 millimeter Allen. That's pretty big. Why are we doing this? Well, basically what we're doing is we're double checking everybody's work. Somebody had to assemble this motorcycle. You might have bought this motorcycle used. You don't know what's happening. So, I mean, it's a safety thing. Not a bad idea, and it's really simple to do. First thing we're going to do, 6 millimeter Allen, another metric. We're going to just detorque the front pinch bolt here. Just take pressure off the axle itself. I got the big Mambo torque wrench here, and it still falls in the guidelines. They're saying 55 to 79 foot-pounds of torque. I'm just going to put it at max spec. You know, you might not have this big torque wrench. I've got a little reducer here. It goes from 1/2 inch to 3/8, so you can use your 3/8 torque wrench if you have to. Let's go ahead and check it. Actually, it moved, so putting it at max spec, it torqued it a little more. And then, of course, now we got to go back and torque the pinch bolt there. 21 to 25 foot-pounds manual says. Go ahead and torque that. Anyway, that's kind of stuff you're going to be doing when you change the front tire anyway, so it's not a bad idea getting familiar with your motorcycle. Okay, let's get on to the next item.